Hey guys, this review's more, and as always, thank you so much for watching. And this is a review of the Lidl brand Silvercrest smoothie maker. Basically, it's a blender for single serves of smoothies, protein drinks, whatever you use them for. And it is the cool thing about it is it's from Lidl, Lidl, and they have that amazing center aisle. I've reviewed their stuff before. Where they sometimes have power tools, sometimes have workout equipment, just random stuff that they basically package and put their brand name on, and it's often very, very inexpensive compared to the average. So this would be, in my opinion, the equivalent of a NutriBullet or a Magic Bullet that's been as seen on TV for years and years. At this point, they show up in most major department stores. It has two settings. It has its low speed setting, and then it has its high speed setting, and then it has a pulse setting, which is basically the high speed setting set to a pulse. You just turn the knob to the left and it pops on. I love this thing, and the price of it is great because it's $10. So before we get started with the review itself, you see, as always, please hit the like button if you find this review helpful, and I'm going to stop talking fairly quickly in this, and I'll put some timestamps in the video that basically lay out where everything's going to happen. So there's the locking mechanism. But this is a great option for somebody who just needs a quick blender, doesn't need to have a full-blown one. This can obviously do mixed drinks, slushies. The only limitation of it is it must have liquid in it, so you can't just sit there and throw ice cubes in there and think it's going to make like a snow cone, because it'll more or less burn out the actual thing. What's really cool here is it's got little foot cups that actually act as suction cups, so it stays on there, which is very, very nice. In just 1 second, you will get to hear the suction cup sound. Alright guys, the last thing I'll mention is just how great this blender actually is. It's got this cool suction cup feet, which I thought was a cool little feature considering when I bought a Magic Bullet years ago that did not exist. But this one's $10, and the last thing I'll mention is the fact that the individual containers obviously also act as like shakers, so you can drink out of them. And the seal, the rubberized seal on it is very, very wide, so it means it doesn't take like any kind of work to actually get it to be watertight. So everything stays very watertight, no leaking, which is very, very nice. And as always, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment if you have any questions. I usually respond pretty quickly to them. And thanks again so much for watching. Have a great day. I'm going to timestamp the rest of the video, that way you can just click along in the first pinned comment. Thank you so much.